Good day everyone and welcome to NQA Law Channel, your legal ally, where we share relevant information for your daily protection. Now, we are in our episode 3. So, New Year na. Tanan bala nakaubra na sa New Year's resolution? Kabay pa ang tanan ng mga biling-biling sa 2025 ng mga negatibo, wala nyo na gindala sa 2026. For our episode 3, let me read the January 3, 2026 news. 4 ka pulis magapangatubang sang dismissal bangod sa indiscriminate firing. Suno sa PNP, 4 ka pulis ang kabahin sa 16 ka individual nga involbado sa insidente sang indiscriminate firing umpisa Disyembre 16, 2025 tubtob Enero 1, 2026. So this is a very serious topic. Stray bullets and who is liable for injuries or even deaths caused by them. So amo na siya usually ang istorya. During New Year, sinadya-sadya lang, ang iban ga paliwaliwa, ga pahangin-hangin sagwa sang ugsaran, ang iban ga katulog, gulpi lang, may bala. Mayo lang kung ang maigo hindi mapatay, ma-injure lang. So this is a case of stray bullets. So sino bala attorney ang kasakaan kaso or sino ang liable? Tungaon ta ang sitwasyon. Una, kung kilala ta ang shooter. Siyempre, ang liable is ang shooter. Civil and criminal liability. Ano ang mga kaso nga pwede ta ipasaka? Una, reckless imprudence resulting to physical injuries kung na-injure lang siya or napilasan lang, or resulting to homicide kung napatay gid. Ikadua, hindi lang kaso kriminal. Kaso sibil or daños perjuicios, mamalahiran na siya. Because under the revised penal code, specifically Article 100, kung ang tao criminally liable, civilly liable man na siya. Next, complementary is the principle of quasi-delict under Article 2176 of the Civil Code, stating that bisan pa fault or bisan pa negligence, basta may injury nga natabo, mamalayran gid ang isa ka tawo nga nakasala sang daños perjuicios. So lakat kita subong sa ikadua nga sitwasyon kung diin hindi naton kilala ang shooter or ang nagpalupok, which is usually the situation. So, sad to say in that case, there is no criminal liability because in our jurisdiction, criminal liability is personal. Likewise, ang civil liability taklaro naman. Kay tungod wala man ta sang lagson sa korte kung hindi naton kilala ang nagpalupok. To a certain extent, may ara kita ginatawag nga limited liability under Article 2180 of the new Civil Code, wherein, to a certain extent, ang employer or even ang state liable kung ang nagpalupok police, soldado o kung security guard. So you can check on that and research on that further if this is your situation right now. So the bottom line is, if there is no identified shooter, there is no criminal liability and generally no compensation. So here is our practical and legal advice. As we end the new year and as we celebrate any occasion for that matter, it is better not to do indiscriminate firing. Even if your gun is licensed, even if you feel like there's no other people around. Please be careful and let us celebrate all our occasions and all our celebrations responsibly.